Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let us journey together on how to use Bing Image Creator to create fashion designs. So, let's dive right into it. Step 1. Commence your creative voyage. Step into a realm of infinite imagination by accessing your Bing Image Creator dashboard. Step 2. Infuse your visions with reality. Craft a prompt that breathes life into your fashion designs. Consider something like design a stylish streetwear outfit that balances comfort and fashion. Combine trendy sneakers, oversized hoodies, and bold accessories. Step 3. Unleash the magic. Click the create button, sparking the enchanting capabilities of AI. A moment of anticipation. And step 4. Witness the unveiling. Behold your vision materializing into fashion brilliance. With Bing Image Creator, your creativity knows no boundaries. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.